So welcome, we're coming to you from MIT. This week is Kaspersky Lab Startup Competition. We've been really surprised by the quality of the teams. Not only do they have really mature ideas, they've been out in the marketplace, and so they've been really focused and have narrowed down their value proposition and are here competing and with great ideas and products. And so this team here is, their company name is CTF, Capture the Flag 365. And they have a wonderful idea, especially from us that are in the education space. We love this type of approaches. So can you please tell us a little bit about what the concept or what the idea behind your company is?
Our idea, Capture the Flag 365, tries to bring the gamification process into learning process and enhance the learning curve. We have a software as a service platform on which you can build virtual machines, and heck, everything is on the platform. All virtual machines you can find there are real targets. You can hack them without any legal problem, and you can set up there your own virtual machine and install everything you want on it, and learn how to protect them from potential attackers.
It's for IT security specialists and developers. Everyone can enter there, create a profile, and they can be blue team and red team, attackers, and the one who protect fortress or protect data. You can put data there in order to be sure that your system is secured and converted, and let all the others from all the world to attack your system, and it's perfect legal, and you can test your system there.
Of course, we don't recommend that to deploy on our system real names and real data and sensitive data.
And logos.
And logos, because if you have a breach, a security breach, the attackers can
do it in real world. You don't want your bank account to be
killed. So we recommend that you take off all your data from your real system that you want to deploy on our platform, or to deploy configurations that are not used in real life to protect yourself and your identity.
No, and this is certainly a big challenge in the cybersecurity space. A lot of what we see in the market over and over is how do we hire people that are good? And obviously, as the demands of security increase, the supply is simply not there. I've seen, people who are beginning to train on this, and a lot of times they're just spending time on the network trying to watch packets. But a true environment in where you can freely explore and test. And what you said as we started this conversation before we started filming, to get into the mindset of the attacker. In order to be able to defend, you have to understand how an attacker would think. So, yes, correct. And I wonder if you might say something a little bit about the environment. You mentioned virtual machines and other I guess, tools that you're using to make it easy to set up. Because, I think if you have to spend 3 months setting up a play environment for yourself, it's too hard.
Only 1 minute to set up the environment, and only a few minutes to make the teams, and you can explore the servers from our real internet world.
We have a freemium service, so if you want to explore our platform, you are free to do it. And if you want to have more options and do it more, there are also some paid accounts.
And do you want to mention your website?
Our website is Ctf365.com.
You have a great idea. Best of luck in the competition, and I look
Okay,
forward
and,
to seeing you in the market.
Our next level is also to create laboratories for universities and for security training companies and for who wants to have an internal environment to test the security experts inside the
Yes,
team.
we already have experience by organizing some capture the flag competitions with more than 100 participants that worked perfectly without incidents. And,
24 hours competition, hacking, and
with prizes and raffle for different licenses.
That's a great approach, and certainly this last one you mentioned, I can see that you could even assess the level of talent that a company has. Before they start to train with you, you could put them into this environment and see how well they do.
Yes, actually we want also to be a LinkedIn on steroids for the info security environment. If somebody wants to hire a person from security, they have to look on our platform how many badges he has, how many attacks,
That's a great idea.
successful attacks, and how many, how good is on defending his own fortress.
No, and this is great because once you get a community involved, the value starts to be supported by the peer group, and you can start to identify them. And I've seen, in fact, efforts inside of companies to try to, big companies that have hundreds of thousands of employees, to try to do the same thing. But that's a great idea.
And for the users, for potential users, I have a recommendation. We have a very well documented blog, and it's very educative, even if they don't want to sign in on our platform. They have a lot of interesting materials there. We have also a survey that we made in 2014, last year, and now it's another survey ongoing. So they have a lot of
information regarding the solutions
Great.
they have to use, which are the new trends, and so on.
Great, so thank you very
Thank
much for sharing your idea, and best of luck in the competition.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.